Test, test, test. Okay. Alright, let's see. Give me a second here. Can you guys hear me okay? Are you guys able to hear me? Awesome, perfect. So, how's everyone doing this weekend? Everyone have a good week? Or a good weekend? Nice, perfect. Awesome. So, for those of you guys who are new, my name is Kyle. I'm co-founder of Slapstocks, and I do these Sunday stock talks. So what these are is basically where I look at the market for the very first time with you guys. So you guys get to see me do my live analysis for the week right now. And afterwards, when I'm done with that, you guys get to write your ticker symbols down below that you guys want me to look at, and I'll review them for you, and I'll do technical analysis for them. So right now, just write down all the ticker symbols you guys want me to look at. Any ER plays, anything like that, any long term maybe, I don't know, just something, just write whatever you want to. But okay, so let's see here. We have the S&P 500. We are currently down. Actually, we're break even now. But we had a nice push up at open. We broke above. If we can't, yeah, here it is. We had to really try and hold this 3,700 level here. Right here, this is the important level that we have to look for. Because this right here is going to be the main psychological level that's happening. Because Um, this was a good one, and then as soon as we broke this psychological level, we started pushing upwards to the higher level, and now we're sitting at 3,700. And we did break up there. We had a nice push up, like I said, at open. The past 5, 10, yeah, 10 minutes, we pushed, what was this? Um, 90, we'll say 95. 95 to 702. Yeah, so it had like a 7 point moose, which is a really good move for it to have. It capped out right here. This right here is just a long wick. So what we can do is we actually see this happening here too. Look at that. So we have a downtrend going on. Let me turn this off because I don't like that right now. So we have our clear resistance line here at this 3,700 psychological level. We have a downtrend currently forming right now, while an uptrend's forming here. Kinda. Yeah, right there, we'll say. I can move it down some. Let's say around right there. Let's see on the larger scale. Yeah. So SPY has just been continually pushing upwards here as soon as it broke these levels. Let's see if we can use, do we want the 1 hour? No, let's use the 4 hour here. Oh, so yeah, we are capping out right there at that level. Here's the next level to look for, right here, we'll say. Right here. Here's the main level that we broke out from. We can put it from right here. So here's the main resistance that we had going on here. As soon as we were able to break out of that, we ran. Let's see if we can start to retest maybe these levels right here down to here. So if anything, let's see if SPY can reverse back down to around 3681. But that's kind of a far drop for it, so I kind of would say maybe around 3688 to look for ES. So for those of you who don't know, ES is the same thing as SPY here. So right now, if we're looking at the same charts here, we currently gapped up above here, sitting now at these levels up here, and then we dropped back down. So we're sitting right around here on SPY. So because of that, what I think could happen this week is we called last week perfectly. Last week I said we were going to go to 3,700 and we went to 3,700 easy. Like, that was perfect. Or we almost went to 3,700. We were like we capped out right there. Right there was where we capped out at. So I was so close. I was almost on point with it last week. But yeah, that was pretty close. But let's see here. So if we can honestly hold above 3,700, let's see if we can make a run to, I can't see us making a huge run. Maybe we'll cap out this week at like 3707. Just because it's Christmas time and we still have more stuff coming up. Actually, let's see. We could just get stuck around here, honestly. Yeah, we are pushing back down on this 4-hour candle here. It is coming down. Let's see if this turns red. If this turns red and goes back down to a 3692, look for us to drop down to 3682. But if we manage to hold above 3700 at any time, look for us to start going up to 3706. So yeah, that could be a nice push that we could have. And the only play I'm actually in for a swing right now is AMD. It's a little risky one. I'm in 2 contracts right now for 95 calls for 2 weeks out. But we did have a nice run up here. I grabbed them at the end of the day right here on this dip. Just because I'm trying to look for that break upwards. Hopefully this can hit 100 by earnings, which is soon. Or before earnings, I mean. And it's having the momentum to do that right now. We've had beautiful plays on AMD already from the 0.618 level and stuff, so Let's see if we can catch another one here. Um, what else are we in? Oh yeah, Mind Med. This thing is just taking off. It's just taking off. I was not expecting this one bit. Not one bit. I was expecting $1 by the end of December, honestly. I really want this to come back down to $1. Is it going to come back down to $1? Maybe not. So next thing I'm gonna look for is probably around 1.5 and start buying another 1,000 or two at this level, and then I'll probably end my position there because I was initially gonna do 10,000 shares, but I don't want to pay a lot for it. That's the only thing. So, but yeah, that's what I'm looking for this week. Um, yeah. So now type in the ticker symbols that you guys want me to look at if you haven't already, and yeah, I'll look at them for you. FCell. Um, no, another penny stock almost. Um, it is gaining momentum. Let's see here. Yeah, if it can break above 835, if it can break above 835 with momentum, oh look at that SPY just came down more. See, look at that. I'm gonna have a sell here. Actually, I'll put it right around. Right there. Perfect. Okay. So we have that going. Okay. So, yeah, look for a break above 8.35. If you can get above 8.35, look for it to run back upwards to 9.62, which would be a good move, honestly. Go 100 contract, not 100 contracts, 100 shares for a nice move upwards. Yeah, I could definitely see that. It is holding all levels and everything. It held $7 really well, and it's held 750 really well as well. So, look for that break above 8.35 for this one. Tesla. Okay. Actually, no, I don't even want to do that right now. Tesla's just on a tear, waiting to be entered into the S&P 500. But I think once it does that, once it's into the S&P 500, it's not going to keep running anymore. I think it's going to stop for a little bit, you know? It's going to calm down. It can't keep running forever, you know? I mean, obviously it can. It's Tesla, but I just hate Tesla. But, okay, let's see here. This was literally all hype, I feel like, so... And if we get above 605, look for 610 to 6... Yeah. Yeah, above 605, look for 610. After 610, look for 6... That's it, 6. We'll say the next level... After 610, we'll say 615 for the next psychological level. But for the downside... If we're looking at this on... fibs and with candles, we'll go right here. There. I mean, it is holding these levels. If it breaks below 588, 587, look for a drop down to 565, I'd say. Like, nah, actually, let's see here. I say a break below 586. Look for 570. After 570, look for this 560, this 558.72 level. If it can't hold that, then start looking for the retrace around these levels here, 504, 528, and 480, to see if it reverses here and goes for a run up. Um, but yeah, just look for that for this week for that. HYLN. What is this? Looks like it's just dropping, honestly. Yeah, just looks like it's dropping a lot. I really couldn't find any support yet. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I really can't find any support, honestly. If you look in here, look at this 18 level is what it's holding on to right now, but it can't hold on to that because look at it has a descending triangle forming here. So you have to look out for that because this can break. Once this flushes below 18, this is a goner because you have this to look for. And then you also have, on the larger scale, this is known as a inverse head and shoulders. So it goes one, two, or not, it's not inverse, sorry, a head and shoulders like this. So here's your shoulder and here's where it's dumping. If it breaks below here, this can go back down to like 12 to 10. Yeah, 12 to 10, honestly. But if it can somehow manage to break out of this descending triangle here and already out of this bearish pattern that it has going on here, look for it to hopefully make a break and a run back up to, I'd say, around 21st. Nah, 20.83, honestly. And then after 20.83, look for 22. But, I mean, is there news coming out on it for something or what? Like, why do you want me to look at this one? Yeah, Tesla is a hype stock. I'm reading these. Alright. If you don't have any news for this stock, then I guess I'm done with this one. But I really don't like this one. Like, the stock is just so bearish that it can go back down to 12 here. Easy. Easy, yeah. It hasn't done well either. So just be on the lookout for that. But let's see, what else do you guys have? Starbucks? Let's do Starbucks. So, we did have a play on Starbucks. It did exactly what I thought it would do. It's just we took profit here and it kept on. Or no, we took profit. Yeah, we took profit here and we took some here, I think. Oh no, this one? I forgot how this one went, but yeah. It did exactly what I thought it would. It ran upwards. It's at 100. It held 100 now, finally. I haven't seen Starbucks at 100 since last year. Like, when I first started, like, let's see, when I first started looking at Starbucks, I was looking at it way back here. Where is it? Where is it? 14, 15. Where did it almost hit 100? Right, yeah, right here. You see, it was so close on hitting 100. It almost had it. What was it at? This is when I was playing Starbucks a long time ago. But yeah, look at that. 99.72 and then it never hit 100 again until now. So for it to hit 100 again and actually be holding it is a really good sign. I'd like to see Starbucks continue to break upwards. If this continues to be bullish, I'd be looking for like 104 to 105 for that amazing run up. And then let's see, when is their earnings? Earnings. Xbox. January 26th. So they still have time for them. But yeah, honestly, on the upside, I'd say look for a break above, like I want to. If this is has volume at open for a bullish move, I'd honestly say we'd get in for it for a move up to 103 to 104. But if this starts coming back down, let's look for puts below 102 for 100. And let's see if we can get a retrace around 100, which would be nice. But okay, let's see what else. Roku. Let's see here. Um, I think it could be double topping right here, I feel like. Mm, not really, honestly. Mm, it is showing a nice bullish sign. Yeah, it is showing strong momentum pushing upwards. If it can hold above 294, yeah. If it can hold above 294, that'd be nice to see this continue to go up to 300. But I say below 294, start looking for 288. And then let's see. What else are we looking at? What else are we looking at? Um, Snap. You want to look at Snap? Snap is amazing. I love Snap. Snap is one of the best stocks out there, I think. Best long-term stocks. Best long-term stocks. I say that over and over again, and it always performs. Every time I say that, it always performs. I never doubt it. I never doubt it one bit. So let's see here. Currently sitting at 48.10. I'd say we need it below 48. Eh. Eh. Hmm. Yeah, kind of capped right there at 48. You see, let me move my cursor. Let me get rid of this. How do I move this? There we go. Um, yeah. So above here, 48.62. If we can get above 48.62, I'd like to see this run up to 50. If we can hit 50, that would be awesome. It has broken out of this pattern that it was having, and with strong momentum here, which is awesome seeing off of this support level here. So, yeah, if it can't break up here though, and it breaks below 47.5, look for it to drop back down to around 46 for a retest. And if it gets below 46, start looking for 45. Everything's kind of been bearish. It seems like at least that's just what I'm feeling right now. It seems pretty bearish in my opinion. Okay, what else do you want to look at? Jumia. I heard of this. I've heard of this company before. Um, Grant, they had a nice run up. Mm, hmm. Kind of seems to be forming a head and shoulders here. This. Actually, I don't like that one, but let's just use. Where is it? This tool? Here it is. So we have it going up here. We have down here. We have up here. We have down here. We have right here. And now we're going back down to here. Let's see. So yeah, so I'm getting a head and shoulders pattern going on here. I like to see this go back down to 28 if anything. If it can hold 28, let's see if we can continue to consolidate at 28 for a nice run up, for a nice run back up to 33. But if it gets below 28, start looking for like 24, 2250, let's say. 2250, I'd say for this stock. But if it breaks out of this pattern and it gets above 33, 32.96, look for 33, 35, sorry. Look for 35. After 35, start looking for the higher move upwards to 37.5. Working SLV. When did I do this? I drew this perfectly. This was last Sunday stock talk, that's why. That's why. Yeah, wow. Okay, that makes sense. So it really didn't do anything since the last time we looked at this. It had its earnings, and it didn't do much. Mm, if it can break above 44.10, yeah, if it can break above 44.1, look for the move upwards to 45. Then after 45, start looking for 46. But I see this for the downside more. Yeah, I'm getting really bearish vibes on everything right now, so just keep that in mind. If we break outward, I'll be surprised, but that'd be awesome. But I'm waiting for either. It's either gonna be a kangaroo week or bearish week. It's gonna be one of those two. I feel like though. Mm, I say below 41. No, below 42. Start looking for puts to 40, then 38, then 36. But yeah, let's see here. SLV, silver. Silver is at a good low price, honestly. It's at a good low price. Same with gold. I like gold. Gold looks good too. They're both at very low prices. Maybe get some. Let's see how they compare to the VIX though. Yeah, UVXY is dead. Metals are starting to go back up. Let's see silver. Yeah, yeah. I think silver is a really good one here. Let's see. Above 22.7, look for 23. After 23, look for 23.5. On a larger scale of things. If you wanted to grab this, I'd grab like um, June contracts of 2021. Let's see here. Are there any 2021s? I think that could be a good play as well. I'll watch silver. Um, version of January 2022's. It's absolutely zero theta. I highly doubt that. I highly doubt that. If that's the case, I'm grabbing like 3 of them. January 21st, 2022. Yeah. There's no need. Maybe even February. Let's see June. These June ones are nice too. I really like these June 2020 ones here. Especially this one, look at that. 411 volume. Let's see here. Yeah, and it has been moving too, so this is a moving contract, which is good to see. It's not a dead one. Yeah, I really like silver here. I think silver is going to be a good play for tomorrow. Let me set my alerts here. There we go. Awesome. Let's see what else. Would you mind sharing your Lex sensitivity settings? Yeah, I'll share them with you after this. Give me a second. PFE. PFE is having a nice bounce off of this resistance, old resistance level as new support going on here. You see that happening? And it's holding support here as well. Here goes SPY. Cool. Yeah, if Pfizer can honestly break 40.5, look for it to run up to 41.5. They're 41.5, let it go to 43 if possible. If possible. But I don't know if that would happen. Oh, we just got filled. Let's look for a on the downside, a break below 40. Let's look for 39.3. After 39.3, let's look for 38.5. Yeah, 38.5, I'd say. Okay, I'll do one more, and I'll do, let's see. NEO cat. Do NEO. Actually, yeah, we'll do NEO. NEO's more popular. NEO has been in a downtrend here. It is going back down from here to here. It is forming a descending triangle going on here. If it gets below 41.6, 41.7, start looking for 40 to 36. If it can break out of this above 44, look for 48 to 50, 50, yeah, 50. 48 to 50, we'll say, for the upside. And then, yeah, my Lex Algo sensitivity settings, here you go. And if anyone wants to use this, message me on Discord and I'll send you a special link so you can get a discount for it. Yeah, Yeah, so just message me on Discord if you want that. But yeah, here's my settings for you. Sensitivity 4.25, agility, set it to this. Your smoothing 20, bands mode none. I like using the Lux dashboard. Your Lux dashboard is this right here. Confirmation signals, yeah. So the confirmation signals are your buy and sell. You can use Heikin-Ashi as source if you want to. I tend not to. It's up to you, because then you'll just have to change your, actually, let's see here. See how they look with Heikin-Ashi. Yeah. Yeah, see, okay, there we go. This looks nice here too. So yeah, so if you want to use Heikin-Ashi, make sure you just turn that on. That's a new feature that they actually added. It never used to be like that. It looks like it doesn't even affect it either way though. I'm kind of confused. They're always adding new stuff though. But yeah, there's all this too. They also have a Lux oscillator, but I don't like using oscillators. I don't use them at all. But yeah, so that was Sunday Stock Talk for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And yeah, I'll see everyone tomorrow. Let's get it.